We have some breaking news coming in. Maha face-off over EVMs explodes. Maha Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde on EVMs. Shinde says opposition should stop blaming EVMs. Shinde slams Sharad Pawar over EVM row. He says Sharad Pawar is spreading false agenda. So there's a huge face-off over EVMs. Maha Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has spoken out on EVMs. He said that opposition should stop blaming EVMs. He's hit out at Sharad Pawar, saying that Sharad Pawar is spreading false agenda.
अभी नासिक में मालेगांव में 1,98,869 चुनाव वोट मिले लोकसभा में और अभी विधानसभा में 7,527। उधर बीजेपी का कैंडिडेट नहीं। फिर ये क्या, किसने हैक कर दी मशीन? ये सब चुनाव हारने के बाद ये ऐसे बात करना उचित नहीं है। इससे लोगों के दिशाभूल करने का काम जो है वो कर रहे हैं। अभी वो कोई किधर किसी को लगता है बैलेट में चुनाव ले लो, किसी को लगता है ईवीएम में ले लो, ऐसा नहीं होता है ना।
Mustafa Sheikh is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Mustafa, Sharad Pawar was to visit Markarwadi over the EVM issue, and now Eknath Shinde has hit out at the opposition. That's Sharad Pawar saying that he's trying to spread a false agenda. Please give us more details on that.
That's true. The MVA is building up against Mahayuti on the EVM issue. MVA has lost out badly in the recently concluded Maharashtra Assembly elections, but be it Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde or Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, they have been saying that these are false allegations and narrative being built by senior MVA leaders. Especially they are saying Sharad Pawar is not expected to make such statements. Sharad Pawar yesterday said that Congress has got more votes than Shiv Sena, but Shiv Sena has won more seats than Congress. So that is a figure which Sharad Pawar had given. Countering it, Eknath Shinde said that Congress fought more than 100 seats. We fought on about 70 seats. So it is obvious that the number of votes being received by Congress will be more than the Shiv Sena. But these are data which is misleading, is what Eknath Shinde has said. Eknath Shinde said that because the Mahavikas Aghadi has not won, they are not able to accept this defeat, and hence these false narratives are being built up, and this is an insult to democracy. So be it Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde, they are in forefront countering the claims made by Mahavikas Aghadi on EVM tampering. Back to you.
Right, let's listen to what Eknath Shinde has said on the EVM issue.
महायुति को 49.30% वोट मिला है अभी विधानसभा में, और इनको महाविकास आघाड़ी को, मतलब महायुति को 3 करोड़ 18 लाख, महाविकास आघाड़ी को 2 करोड़ 35 लाख। तो वोट कितने, 1 करोड़ का फर्क है। और ये ऐसा कोई भी नहीं कह सकता है, क्योंकि हर चुनाव क्षेत्र में हर कैंडिडेट को मार्जिन जो है कम ज्यादा मिलता है, तो इसको सभी एक ही तराजू में तौल नहीं सकते हम। इसलिए मैं यही कहूंगा कि अभी उन्होंने ये ईवीएम वाला जो मामला है, अभी बोले शिवसेना को इतने कम सीटें मिली 16 और हमें मिली 57। तो शिवसेना ने, कांग्रेस ने तो 100 के ऊपर लड़ी थी, हम तो 80 लड़े थे। तो ये भी बात है। तो इसका विश्लेषण करते समय लोगों ने सही विश्लेषण करना चाहिए।